Samsung has already confirmed that its flagship Galaxy S24 series will be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17. The three smartphones that will be launched at the Galaxy Unpacked event include Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to a report by German website WinFuture. Citing sources, the Snapdragon Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will feature the Samsung Exynos 2400 chipset in Germany and Europe and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC in the global market. Meanwhile, Galaxy 24 Ultra will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in all markets. The vanilla Galaxy S24 is expected to feature a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. In terms of optics, the Galaxy S24 may come with a triple camera setup to the back with a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 10MP telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. The phone is expected to house a 4000 mAh battery, which could be charged with a 25W wired charger and 15W wireless charger. The Galaxy S24 Plus may sport a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 x 3120 pixels and a refresh rate ranging between 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The smartphone is also expected to come with a triple camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor, a 10MP telephoto sensor, and 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. The S24 Plus could house a 4900 mAh battery with support for 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. The Galaxy S24 Ultra could sport a 6.8-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3120 x 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The higher-end Galaxy device will feature a quad-camera setup with a 200MP primary sensor with a super quad-pixel autofocus OIS and super clear lens, 2 telephoto lens with a 50MP sensor with support for 5x optical, and a 10MP sensor with support for 3x optical zoom. Moreover, there is a 12mm ultra-wide-angle camera sensor with a 120 degrees field of view. With the impressive specifications and features revealed for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series, one can't help but wonder, as technology advances rapidly in the smartphone industry, what groundbreaking innovation or feature would you like to see in the next generation of flagship smartphones? And how do you think it could revolutionize the way we use our mobile devices? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.